Hey guys, welcome back to AD Finance. In this video, I'm so excited. I want to share with you the best home loan deal that I found. Just want to tell you a bit of story of how I found this home loan deal. For those of you who knows that I'm actually working for the bank, obviously being a banker, you do get some home loan deals, you get some credit card deals, and you get some personal loans if you are going to borrow from the bank that you work for. So I actually started a new role in banking. So I still work for the same bank basically, but I've got a new job in a different department. So when I started my new role 2 weeks ago, I was having a chat with one of my colleagues about home loan interest rate. And the conversation turns into the rates that he's paying for, and he said he's going to switch to a different bank. And I was wondering, why do you want to switch to a different bank when you work for the bank and you got a special deal discount for being a staff member? But he said that there's actually a bank outside has offered a better deal than being a staff member for the bank. Obviously I can't discuss what is the rate for the home loan for the staff in this video due to the privacy, but what I'm going to show you is the best deal that I can find at the current interest rate in Australia that definitely can save you a lot more money if you are planning to switch for the bank. So just for the disclaimer, I don't actually work for the bank that I'm going to talk for, so I don't get any benefit discussing about the interest rate or the home loans that this bank is going to offer you for. So and I'm not a financial advisor, so you should consider whether this is appropriate for you. So let's get started. When I'm curious about a certain product, I always go to a comparison website to see what is the best deal out there. So there are two comparison websites that I always use. First is the canstar.com.au that literally compare pretty much all the banking products, from home loans, credit cards, personal loans, and also your savings account. And another website that I normally use is it's called the finder.com.au, also a very similar comparison website that tells you what's the best deal currently based on your current situations. So let's have a look on the canstar.com.au. If you're looking for a home loans deal at the moment, you pretty much just type in the amount of the loans that you want, the purpose of the loans, and the location that you are in. So by default, if you are in New South Wales or even in other states, to be really honest, it doesn't really make a difference. If you go canstar.com.au, you'll see that the best home loan deal currently for the bank is HSBC. So the deals currently is 3.59%, and comparison rate is about 3.61%. So that is a very good deal of home loans interest rate that I can find from banks. You may argue and say that, well, smart home loans, TikTok, state custodian, and UBank also offer a similar rate or even a lower rate. But when I am purchasing something, I want to make sure that I actually get it from a place that I know the names for. I know that it's a reliable place that I'm going to get it for. And HSBC, Hong Kong Shanghai Banking Corporation, is obviously a big bank, so I know that I'm going to get a better service from the bank compared to the other top three that I'm not 100% sure about the service and the quality that I'm going to get. And what I want to do with my home loan is I want to be able to call someone when I want to, and I want to be able to walk into a branch if I want to discuss about my home loan. So Canstar definitely has got HSBC listed as the best deal at the moment. If I go to the other website, finder.com.au, if you search for home loans, and also HSBC pretty much a top rated home loan. If you don't know much about HSBC, HSBC is pretty much has a branch in every single capital city in Australia. HSBC is the 7th largest bank in the world by market capitalizations, and based in headquarters in London, UK. By market capitalization, HSBC is pretty much bigger than Bank of America, bigger than Citigroup. The top 7 biggest banks are basically the Chinese banks. You got the Japanese USJ banks, JP Morgan, and the next one is HSBC. So you pretty much know that you have a very reliable bank that you're going to have your home loan with. And to be really honest, you are gonna borrow money from the bank. So what is most important for you is, can you call them if you have any issues about your home loans? Is that a branch that you can walk into when you want to talk to someone face to face? And how big and how reliable is the bank? So you know that you've ticked all those 3 boxes and it gives you the lowest interest rate compared to all other banks in Australia. So now we know which bank to go for. Why don't we go to the website and check out the details? So if you go to hsbc.com.au and you pretty much go to borrowing and go to home loans, they will bring you to the details of the home loan that we talk about. So the first home loan that you can see is the home value loans, which is the 3.59 that we look for, and 3.61 comparison. Comparison rate really means is the rates after all the fees. So you may see another bank, for example, if they offer you 3.59 and the comparison rate is 3.8. So what that means is after all the fees with the account applications, monthly maintenance, comparison rate is actually the rate that you're paying for the real home loan itself. So it's pretty good. You can see 3.59 comparison rate 3.61, which is only 0.02%. What do you get from the home loan, home value loan itself? You've got a relationship manager that actually helping you through the applications. You got unlimited free extra repayments, so which means you can pay more than what you're paying. So to make sure that you reduce the interest you're paying, flexibility to withdraw money if you want to. So if you pay more and you think that next month you need more money to pay all your expenses, you can actually withdraw that money back. And also it has got the no ongoing monthly service fee. So we'll click more details and see what else we can find here. So we've got pretty much all the details we've discussed about. It's a variable interest rate, obviously. 50,000 to 7.5 million for the loan amount. Portable, so that means you can transfer the home loans to a new property if you decided to move. Principal and interest repayment. Repayment method can be you can open an account with HSBC, or you can do a direct credit or debit from your bank account. 1 to 30 years standard home loans, and payment frequency that you can use weekly, fortnightly or monthly repayment. 3.59. That is the best deal that I can see. I have worked in home loans myself before the new role, and I can tell you that this is pretty much the best deal that you can see for the current interest rate for your home loan in Australia. And just take note also the expiry date. So you do need to apply for the loans by 30th of April, which you have about a month from now. Again, I don't work for the bank, I don't work for HSBC, and I don't get any discount. I don't get any benefit by introducing HSBC to you guys. I just thought that I found this great home loan rate, so I want to share with you guys so you can save some money. I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of video. Leave a comment below if you've got questions. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I'll make more videos, comparison for home loans, credit card and personal loans, and I hope you all can save more money and get rich together. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.